Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok. Yes, TikTok isn't just for fun. You can actually earn real cash from it. Let's get started. First is the TikTok Creation Fund. If you are over 18 and have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, you can apply. TikTok pays you based on how many views your videos get. And next is brand sponsorship. Once you start growing your audience, companies might pay you to promote their product. You don't need millions of followers. Even micro influencers can earn through paid promotions. And another way is affiliate marketing. You promote a product and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You can add these links to your bio in your TikTok stories if you have business account. Or you can also make money by selling your own digital products or services. Use TikTok videos to promote your shop or link to your website or store. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the